Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you are prompted every time I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being with me again today. Today I'll be teaching you 3 easy bread, breakfast or snack recipes which your toddlers can enjoy. Sometimes, to make food more appealing, you need to present it in different ways. So, let's get right into the video. Ingredients: I'll be using bread. So I have here wheat bread. I've cut out the crust, I've sliced and flattened it with a rolling pin. Don't worry if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a clean glass bottle. And also you can use any bread of your choice. I also have here 2 eggs. Remember, we are making 3 recipes. I also have here 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. I also have here a finger of banana. As a sweetener, I'll be using honey, but you're free to use any sweetener of your choice. I'll also use a pinch of cinnamon, but this is optional. We will start by peeling the banana. Then I'll go ahead to chop the banana into very small bits. Apart from their supply of essential nutrients, bananas are easy on the stomach and give instant energy. I'll put a frying pan on fire on medium-low heat. Then I'll put in some butter and wait for it to melt. In goes my chopped up banana. Make sure you continue stirring so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Then you add your honey. I prefer using honey in this recipe because it gives the end product a caramel kind of taste. Now you need to keep stirring this and wait for about 3 to 4 minutes so your banana becomes golden brown before taking it off the fire. If you want to make this for your bloomer who is less than a year old, you could use date syrup instead of honey. My banana is looking good, so I'll scoop it out of the frying pan. Next, we'll be prepping our egg mixture. So I'll break my 2 eggs into a bowl. I'll add a tablespoon of honey, then my milk, pinch of cinnamon, which I mentioned is optional. Then I beat my mixture. When everything is mixed up properly, I'll set my bowl aside. On a slice of your flattened bread, put some of your banana and spread some of your egg mixture at the ends of your slice to act as an adhesive because we'll be rolling. Slightly press your bread so your roll doesn't unfold. Next, dip your bread banana rolls into your egg mixture as a way of coating it. Using the same frying pan, I'll put in more butter and wait for it to melt. Then I'll proceed to fry my bread rolls. Fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until your rolls are golden brown. Here I'm just making sure that the sides that haven't turned golden brown yet also turn golden brown. Now my bread banana rolls are ready. For our second bread rolls recipe, we'll be using sausages and a mixture of some vegetables. Any vegetables of your choice is fine. So you follow the same procedure like previously, but here we will be filling our bread with the sausages and vegetable mix. Still using our egg mixture as a sealant, we will roll the bread. Same as before, you press so that your roll doesn't unfold. Then again, you coat your bread rolls with your egg mixture. Then we'll go ahead and fry. So similarly, we'll be frying each side for 3 to 4 minutes or until the side turns golden brown. Now on to the third recipe. Just cut up bread into any desired shapes of your choice. Then you coat your pieces of bread with the egg mixture we made in the beginning. These bread, breakfast or snack recipes is to ensure that every time you are presenting bread to your bloomer, it's in a different style. I'll be using more butter for frying because I want it to be a bit of a shallow frying. If you do not have butter or don't want to use it, please feel free to use oil in all 3 recipes. So I'll be putting in my bread, and as usual, fry each side for between 3 and 4 minutes or until you have the desired golden brown color you want. Be sure to separate your bread so it doesn't get stuck to each other. The first sides of my bread is golden brown, so I'm flipping it over so that the other side also fries for 3 to 4 minutes. If you feel any sides need more browning, of course, feel free to turn them over. My bread is ready, so I'll take them out of the frying pan. So there we have it, 3 bread, snack or breakfast recipes that your bloomers can enjoy. Switch it up and make snack and breakfast times exciting. Ebusiafo Miss Remo, Moma Mente Monka. Do give me feedback on how your bloomers received any of my recipes so far. Until next time, let's keep feeding the little ones nutritiously yummy food so they can keep blooming.